What's up people, this is Avijoy here, back again with another video. So yeah, this is my first time face cam video and hope you like it. Yeah, this is the introduction video and the rest of the video will not have a face cam, I guess. And this is about the computer architecture with binary system. So in this series, it will be a 10 video or 12 video series. So it will start from your by what is binary and why computers don't understand the normal decimal integer and why the numbers get converted into binary, and it will end up to like binaries with addition to binary, subtraction, ones complement, two's complement, and yeah. So you can see here I will add up the list of the videos, the title that will be coming up in the next videos, and this will be like 1 or 2 days of 3 days between, and every one video will come. So I will set up the all these series at first and then I will upload one after one. So yeah, this is the idea with this series. So yeah, hope you like this video, and yeah, this is the face that runs the place and I'm the only one that in this channel and edit the one and video record and everything else. So yeah, that's it in this video. Hope you like this video, share this video, subscribe to my channel, and hope you like the series. The playlist will be on the top right corner I button, and yeah, the rest, bye bye, see ya, peace.